Hello and welcome to another episode of Susanne Kocht. We're on day, I honestly can't be bothered to count anymore, of the Austrian lockdown. It is a few days before Easter, so I already put the decorations up. Happy Easter before, or rather a belated Happy Easter, because I'm gonna upload this after Easter. And what we're gonna cook today is baked gnocchi. The baked gnocchi works similar to a casserole, and I love casseroles because basically you can make everything into casserole, and that's amazing. So let's get started. What we need for this is relatively simple. What we need for this is relatively simple. It is just an onion, some garlic, the already mentioned gnocchi, and tomatoes. We start by getting out the pan, heating it up a bit. I prefer to use olive oil. And then we're chopping the onion and the garlics and put it in there. There we go. We start chopping it, and because I discovered in my sushi maki video that my favorite knife is not as sharp as I believe it to be, I sharpened it. And now it's super sharp. And then comes 2 pieces of garlic. That was easy enough. Now we throw it into them, add a little bit of seasoning, and then we add the tomato. Problem is, the smaller my kitchen bowl gets, the less stable my setup becomes. Some of that ended up on the floor. I didn't mean it like that, I'm so sorry. In the meantime, you can make the gnocchi sweat in another pot, because you want to bake it a little bit in butter before you put it into the form. So similar to the palatschinken, you just take some butter, put it in here, and you wait for that to melt down. When it has, you add the gnocchi. Just make sure that everything is covered in it. So add a little bit of seasoning here. So because it is an Italian dish, technically, you can use Italian spices. You can also buy one of those already mixed. If I would be an Italian chef, what would I add? The butter is melting. Open up the gnocchi. You can actually make gnocchi at home for yourself, but no. So we add them. If you see similar to me that you did not use any butter, just add some more. Right, that is starting to go away. Starting to be enough. So we do add the tomatoes. What also belongs to this recipe, typically Italian, is Parmesan cheese. We do still have some left over from, I think it's risotto. Ah, shit! I just discovered tomato sauce wearing a white t-shirt. Can go wrong very quickly. I'm turning that off. Add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Then we turn on the oven to 200 degrees. I'm generally not team preheating, so I often turn it on and then I just leave the dish in for 3 or 5 minutes longer. Has worked so far. Since all of this is done now, I'll move it over here and I get my casserole form, which is up here, which is gonna be quite a climb. Here it is. What I do recommend is lining the pan with some butter. Pour in the gnocchi. Come on, go to yourself in there. And then comes the sauce above it. Yeah, that was predictable. Anyway, then we pour the rest of the Parmesan above. Then it's time to put it into the oven. Doesn't actually say for how long. Close. I'd say for about 10 minutes. So it goes into the oven for about 10 minutes. There we go, magic number. In the meantime, you can clean up your own kitchen. So you can hear the dishwasher bubbling. You missed the alarm clock, but it means we are done. Go! That is basically that. It's surprisingly easy. I astonished myself with it. If you don't get it out of the foam and it doesn't fall apart, that's okay. It's not supposed to be a casserole and stay in place, it's just baked. I wish you bon appetit, and I'll leave you with it because it's getting really warm out of here.